Singsang Taytay Leho. I am Elvira Loriamas, born on December 1, 1986, 39 years old, from Ifugao, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 3 children, ages 17, 15, and 8 years old. I am a high school graduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 4 years and 3 months from November 2018 to February 2023. I serve one couple and their 2 children ages 12, 10 years old and 8 months old baby. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi for 8 months from September 2023 to May 2024. I serve one couple and their 2 children, ages 11 and 3 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 months from November 2025 to March 2026. I serve one couple and their 3 children, ages 8, 2, and 1 years old.
Hello, Miss Elvira Loriamas. How are you today?
I'm good and thank you, sir.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Alright, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check it if their clothes is wet and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, but the baby feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Elvira Loriamas, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.